Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about touch not working problem if screen touch is not responding properly. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.